Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Santa Fe Hybrid. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Meet the Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid, a versatile SUV that masterfully combines performance and efficiency. With its advanced hybrid powertrain, the Santa Fe Hybrid delivers impressive fuel economy without sacrificing power. Its sleek design, coupled with a spacious and luxurious interior, ensures both style and comfort. Enjoy the latest in technology and innovation with the Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid, where eco-friendly driving meets exceptional capability. These are just some of the great options